Ever wished your devices could handle a construction site like a pro? Meet Samsung's latest rugged tech. These devices are built tough, ready to resist water, dust, and the harshest conditions. With military-grade durability and IP68 ratings, they're perfect for challenging environments. Running on faster processors and equipped with more memory, these gadgets handle demanding tasks with ease. Need connectivity? Enjoy 5G speeds and Wi-Fi 6E reliability. The XCover7 Pro boasts a 350 mAh battery, while the Tab Active5 Pro packs a massive 100 mAh punch, complete with a dual hot swap system for uninterrupted work. Plus, the no battery mode keeps you going. Enhanced stereo speakers and vision booster screens ensure clear communication and visibility. For productivity, these devices feature smart AI tools and programmable keys for instant access to critical functions. Samsung DeX transforms your mobile experience into a desktop powerhouse. With Samsung Knox Vault, your data stays secure. Available May 26, 2025, these devices are ready to redefine rugged. Stay tuned for more on these groundbreaking tools.